Welcome to A Perfect Place to Start. I'm Catherine, and on this channel we do home decor and DIY projects. Today I have a super fun video which is full of bee DIYs, which are some of my favorite things to create because I absolutely love bees. So if that sounds like something that you are interested in, I hope you stick around to the end, like, and subscribe. So our first project today is a round bee sign, and I just picked up this wood round from, I believe, Hobby Lobby. They also sell some of these wood rounds at Walmart. But all I'm going to do is take my folk art white chalk paint and cover the entire thing. Now for Christmas I received a silhouette and I finally was able to cut out something, and I know you guys are laughing at me, but I have been struggling with any kind of cutting machine, which is why I don't really use them. But since I got this for Christmas, I thought I would try it out. So I'm just going to apply my decal here to the front of the sign, and then I'm going to take the tape off. So my paint was a little bit wet when I put the sticky part down, so some of it came off, but it gives it a distressed look, and so I am okay with that. I created a shabby bow just using some fabric, and you guys know I make these all the time. They just lay over each other, and then I use some twine to tie it off in the middle, and then I use some of my Totally Dazzled brooches. I put one here in the middle, and then here it is styled in some decor. So today's video is part of a Spring Bee collab hosted by my friend Kiki at Kiki DIYs and Ellie from DIY House to Home. I absolutely love bees. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know this, so I'm super excited about this playlist. I hope that you guys go down in my description box, check it out. You will get all kinds of inspiration for bee DIYs as well as summer, which is coming soon. The next project for today is a bee banner, and I picked up this banner a long time ago at the Target dollar spot. It was already pre-made like this, but you could definitely make your own banner out of burlap and some twine. That's the only thing that's holding this together. I picked this stencil up on Amazon, and so I will link that down in my description box if you want to pick it up. But it's just a cute French farmhouse bee stencil, and I went ahead and did the crown and the bee on the blank burlap pieces. And then I took some fabric, which is my favorite way to dress up anything really, and I'm just going to tie two pieces into each section of the banner. So I'm going to put one or two pieces of fabric on each side of the banner piece, I guess is a better way to say that. And then this project is complete, and here it is styled in some decor. This next project is a bee planter, and this one's super easy. I just picked up these pots from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use my white folk art chalk paint, cover the pot with the white paint, and then I'm going to use my bee stencil again, and this time I'm just going to use the bee from it. I think it's time for me to get a new stencil. A little bit of my stencil is kind of not able to come through all the way, but I didn't mind that because it gives it more of a vintage feel, and that was always what the look I'm going for. So I go ahead and stencil that onto the front of the pot, and then I'm going to take some more of my fabric and make a little bow, and I'm going to glue that to the top above where the bee is. And then I took another one of my TotallyDazzled.com brooches and I glued that into the middle, and here it is styled in some decor. As long as I've got you, I'm not letting it fade. Don't go looking for reasons, asking for change. For this project, we're going to make a Be Happy sign, and this was actually inspired by something I saw in the Silhouette Design Studio, but I thought I could make it with also a stencil for you guys. So I took one of these signs from the Dollar Tree and I just popped it out, and I started painting it on the front side Don't know why I didn't think to flip it over and then paint it, which was a lot easier. But then I'm just going to take my bee stencil again, and I'm only going to do the bee. Then I picked up these stencils. They say be happy, be brave, be kind, be you. And I took the happy and I'm just going to stencil the happy under the bee. Once I do that, I took another little shabby bow I made out of our fabric and some twine, and I'm going to glue that to the top left-hand corner like I always do. And then I'm going to take another Totally Dazzle jewel and stick that in the middle. And here it is, styled in some decor. So here's a final look of all of our projects today, and you know, I love bees and anything bee related. I've used this stencil several times. As you can see, it's well loved and probably time for a new one, but I will leave some of these videos up here in the cards and at the end of the video and down in my description box if you want to check out some more bee DIYs. Don't forget to go down to the playlist as well, because there is at least 9 other videos for you to check out that are all bee decor related. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps my video be seen by other people. And if you're loving my decor style, I would love it if you hit that subscribe button and became a part of my YouTube family. As always, wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start, and I will see you in my next video.